Examples of rounding to the nearest hundred. Rounding to the nearest hundred. Here is some example for rounding the number to the nearest hundred. First example, 138. Since you have to round to the nearest hundred, you have to underline the hundreds place, number in the hundreds place, and see the number right to it. The number is 3, that is less than 5, so you have to round down. So answer is, this number you have to round down. Round down means you can write the same number 1. For the balance number you can put 0. How many numbers are there after this? 1, 2. So you can put 2 zeros. Answer is 100. Second example, 561. Underline the number in the hundreds place and see the number next to it. The number next to it is 6. 6 is greater than 5. So we can round up. We can round up. Round up means you have to add 1 to the number in the hundreds place. That means the number that comes after this number is 6. So write here 6. For balance number you can put 0. Third example, 4359. Underline the number in the hundreds place and see the number next to the 3. So the number is 5. The number 5 and more than 5 should round up. So here we have to round up. Answer is this number. The number that comes before the hundreds place, you can write it as same itself. So I write this for 4 itself. Then 3 you have to round up. That means that write the number that comes after 3. That is 4. Then balance number you can put it as 0. Fourth example, 2552. Here also underline the number in the hundreds place and see the number next to the 5. Next to the hundreds place. It is 5. The number which is 5 and more than 5 should round up. So here answer is the number that comes before the hundreds place, you can write it as same. Hundreds place should round up. Up means write the next number. Next number is 6. Balance number you can put it as 0. One more example. 67,823. Underline the number in the hundreds place and see the number right to that number. It is 2. We have to round down. The number less than 5 should round down. So answer is the number that comes before the hundreds place, you can write it as same. Then hundreds place you have to round down. Round down means you can write the same number 8. Balance number you put it as 0. Clear? Examples of rounding to the nearest thousand. Rounding to the nearest thousand. Here is some example how to round the number to the nearest thousand. First example, 3,512. We have to round to the nearest thousand. Underline the number in the thousand place and look into the number near to it, that is in the hundreds place. Here it is 5. The number which is equal to 5 or greater than 5 should round up. So here we have to round up. Answer is we have to round this number up or down, then underline the number. Since it is round up, we can take this number to the next number. 3 become 4. Then balance number you can write it as 0. 1, 2, 3. So you can write 3 zeros. Second example, 9236. Underline the number in the thousand place, since you have to round it to the nearest thousand. And look the number near to it, 2. 2 is less than 5. So you can round down. Round down. So answer is, round down means you can write the same number, 9. Balance, you put it as 0. Then third example, 57,918. Underline the number in the thousand place. This is the thousand place, and see the number, write to that number, 9. 9 is greater than 5, so you have to round up. Round up. So answer is, this 5 you can write it as same itself. Round up. The number in the thousands place you can round up. 7 become 8. Then balance number you put it as 0. Next example, 66,473. Underline the number in the thousand place. Look into the number, write to that number. It is 4 and it is less than 5. So you have to round down. Round down. The number before thousands place, you can write it as same itself. Then 6, you have to round down. Round down means you can write the same number, 6 itself. Balance, you write it as 0. Okay.